Hey everyone, so we're going to unbox the Onn Surf 12.1. This is the 2024 version. This here does have DTSX. Had to do it sideways because it's just too big. It's just too big of a box. So there we go. There are some specs on here. So it's 2560 by 1600 resolution. It does have a 6.6 gigahertz octa-core processor, 6 gigabytes of RAM. So I mean, it's not too terrible. Other 15 hours of battery life, which is quite good. I mean, that's actually very good. 12.1-inch display, 128 gigabytes of storage, that is decent, and it can be expanded with a memory card, and then a few other things there. Again, it does have DTS X Ultra, so it does have DTS, which is quite nice. And if we look down here, it does have 20-watt charging, and it also does have 4 speakers. Into the box itself, we are greeted with the pretty good sized tablet. We'll come back to that in just a moment here. Then we have Onn user guide and quick start guide. Do have it. This is actually gray, which is kind of cool. Nice color. USB-C to USB-C. And it actually does have a charging brick with it. And you guys can see there, output is between 15 to almost somewhere around 20 watts, which is quite nice. This is a very hefty, very good feeling charger as well. And then last but probably least is going to be the SIM card ejector, or in this case the memory card ejector, because this does not have LTE on it. Then looking at the big tablet itself, do have flash with the camera. We do have our SD card slot there, along with with a mic there, and then power button and volume rocker. And this thing is huge. 2 speakers there. Nothing on this side at all. Then where I'm going to call the bottom, 2 more speakers, and then the USB Type-C. So like I said, this is just an unboxing. I will be doing a review of this once I've had it for at least a little bit. And of course, I'll be doing some comparison videos with this as well. First impressions though, without turning it on, very nice looking tablet for I think it's less than $200. Yeah, I mean, so far it looks good. We'll see how it actually does though once we start using it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.